Hi juniors, welcome to your Module 2 release. So in this module, we are going to be learning all about cinematography. You will get a more in-depth lesson, you will get a chance to test your knowledge on cinematography with some clips, you will get a chance to film your own scene, and then write a reflection on it. So let's talk about what is due this week. So by the end of the module, you will be doing the one take story. So this assignment is meant to give you an opportunity to test your cinematography skills by filming a singular shot. So you're essentially just doing a singular take on a story. So you will plan out your story. It should be a mini story, and then you will film it continuously. So you're not stopping it, you're not editing. So far we don't have our editing skills. So what I'm hoping that you get out of this story is that you play around with different camera movements, different angles, different shots, and try to get them all continuously. So you are not taking a break, you're not stopping, you're not meal piecing, just one take, okay? Then you will be doing a reflection. So this will show up on Canvas as a quiz. There are two very open-ended questions. I want you to think and reflect on how did your cinematography choices affect your storytelling, helped your storytelling, kind of what worked well, kind of what didn't, what are we going to be working on for the next time that we film a video. And then you're also going to be taking a cinematography quiz. So this quiz is going to test your knowledge on the different shots, angles, and movements that come with cinematography. You will notice in your quiz that each question has its own video for you to watch, and then you will be answering some questions. So let's look at Canvas. So if you are looking at your Canvas, this is what your module looks like. So you have your intro video, which you're watching right now. You have the presentation for this video if you need to see it. You have your how to cinematography lesson, which again walks you through everything you need to know for cinematography. You have your cinematography quiz. You have your one take story, which will give you all of the details. So you're learning your cinematography choices, camera angles, movement framings, a mini story, no cuts. It gives you some example prompts, and then it gives you some ideas on what to do. And then you also have your reflection. Now you will notice that I put an extra tab in here for resources, and that is camera shots, angles, and movement documents that details every single thing that I talked about in the cinematography lesson. It's just on writing format in case you need that. As always, if you have any questions, stop by student hours. Otherwise, that is it for this release, and I'll see you in the next one.